Viewers, I will inform you about latest reports in Ethiopia, Tigray. Preliminary reports indicate that Abiy and Amhara Fano coalition forces have been severely defeated in the ongoing war in Wollo, Ethiopia. Tigray Defense Forces say Ethiopian invading forces have been killed, captured, and some surrounded. Viewers attack on Brahel with heavy weapons. Still today, the war has continued in Brahel district. The massive war opened by TPLF militia against a far pastoralist caused the death of innocent infants and mothers as they attacked the house of pastoralist with heavy weapons. Reports of multiple heavy artillery mobilization towards Mile Afar. It seems like they are not worried to milk the remaining Ethiopian economic capacity toward bankruptcy. Viewers Abiy Ahmed do ready to children soldiers for fight. You can see on their faces that they are all underage. These children do not deserve to be harmed. Abiy government recruited them as children soldiers and put them in war. They did not know why are fighting for international community. MSM have failed to condemn the children soldiers in Ethiopia. On the other side, the Ethiopian National Defense Force and ARSF continue their counterattack down the B-22 highway, recapturing everything from Kimerdinge to Nifas Mivcha. It is believed that Tigray Defense Force units have largely left the area, with some heavy equipment being left behind. Viewers, in the last 72 hours, Ethiopian National Defense Force and ASF regained Nifas Mivcha, Avazur, Gashina, gained Gassi, Auzit, Gona, and Kimerdinge towns and villages from Tigrayan forces. According to sources, Ethiopia Oromia region in the past 2 days, more than 300 Amharas have been killed by OLF forces. Collaborating with government officials location at Kilitu Abu to Eredoro, Kabul in East Viliga, Krimu Varida. And viewers, 10,000 Afar innocent civilians have been displaced by TPLF in the Brahel district. Ala Kabul area of Asada. Therefore, it is crucial that the international community work together and to be a voice for a voiceless people and to provide life-saving assistance. According to the latest news is that incoming reports of fierce fighting around Mirsa city. And viewers, Tigray Defense Force may have withdrawn Ghent and Kimerdinge as well as Debre Tabur environs. Some South Gondar towns it controlled few weeks ago. It seems now it is focusing on making Voldia and North Velo its stronghold to return to some areas it withdraw from. So viewers, let's watch new song of Tigray Defense Force.
أسمعني
بلو وعلى تقراي تزازملو اسمرا قد بهلالو سيرا وتقراي تبكسولو اسمرا قد بعزالو وعلى تقراي تزازملو نشوا قد بهلالو سيرا وتقراي تلعينولو نشوا قد بعزالو وفري 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 ناتكا وفري وعلنا يتقراي ساتما كلا ودايا ريترا جميرا كلا شو ادم تيسا نسمرا نقلا ابيت 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 قولو 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 امبي 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 امبلي امبلي هاي سمعني امبلي 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 قولو 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 براما غيرا مرد ساقرا حمرا غيرا فكذا ساقرا زارا بسا سنعب ساقرا اسمرا تزي اكي ساقرا لو بلبلا نقول اسمعني 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 قولو 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 وعلى تقراي تزازملو اسمرا قد بهلالو سيرا وتقراي تبكسولو اسمرا قد بعزالو وعلى تقراي تزازملو نشوا قد بهلالو سيرا وتقراي تلعينولو نشوا قد بعزالو وفري